how to actually give value in the marketplace. So how are you going to give value in affiliate marketing as an affiliate marketer? So exactly how you're going to give value as an affiliate marketer is you have to actually think about affiliate marketing. And there's tons of product, services, and ideas out here, right? So how you're going to give value to the marketplace is actually knowing exactly how you could give back to the community, how you could give back to people. Learn to be a giver, right? Not a taker, right? So when you learn to give, you learn exactly what you need to do to actually give back. So it could be a small thing, it could be anything, but you have to give before you could get. That's part of nature. You have to give, and then you get back in return for what you give to the universe. So exactly how you create value is by giving first, and then you get second. So that's exactly what you want to do, is you want to figure out the small things that you could do for people to be able to give back in value. So I would write it down and keep this on paper, so that way you could see it on paper and actually start to, put these things into motion in your life. Because if you learn to give and you learn the small things, then it builds up over time, and then you have gratitude as you're giving back in the world. So you want to be a giver, and then you get. That's simply how it works. So that's how you give value. So you have to learn something, then you have to teach it, and give it to the marketplace, right? So when you learn something, you have to do it. Learn, do, and teach, right? So those are the three main things that you're going to want to know. So you have to teach whatever you're learning, and you have to put it into implementation, so that way you can learn it for yourself. So that's how you give value to the marketplace. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure you share it, make sure you love it, and make sure you leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon.